What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk Top Rack for the new DR-Z4S models. This right here is going to open up a lot of luggage opportunities for this bike, which is awesome because you're going to want to take this out on those long adventure rides. To start off with, as you look over this rack, this is made out of aluminum and it is built right here in Utah. We powder coat it black for a nice finish that's going to hold up for a long time. But my favorite thing about this rack is as you look over it, check out all of these cutouts. This thing is ready for all the straps, all of the tie down points to make it so you can haul anything you want. Now, a top rack is going to be the key to unlocking running a rackless luggage system like our Highland 2 or our Excursion setup, and it's gonna keep you from beating your rear fender to death. That's a huge deal. It's also going to open up being able to run a luggage bag like a duffel bag or something to that effect to make sure you've got everything you need for those long rides. Now, when it comes to the install of this, we've got a video that goes through each step to make it nice and easy for you to add this to your bike. But when it comes to adventure riding on the new DR-Z4S, a top rack is going to be the first thing you're gonna wanna add. To pick yours up, go to the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to get yours. As always, we offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.